Hey everyone! Today I explain the basics of Cloud Computing 2.0 for beginners. Specifically, you're going to learn about Cloud 2.0 at Azure, Google, and Amazon Web Services. So what is Cloud 2.0? Let's get to it. Cloud 2.0 is serverless cloud computing. That's it. With serverless computing, cloud providers manage the infrastructure for you. You focus on writing code and building applications. The cloud provider handles starting and stopping of virtual machines, scaling VMs up or down, handling node failures, configuration, backup and data redundancy, and security patching. Why serverless? It is a pay-as-you-go model with no upfront cost that provides the best elasticity with the least amount of undifferentiated heavy lifting. If you are deploying microservices with tools like Spinnaker, for example, that is better than using a data center. However, it is not the best that cloud computing has to offer. Software engineers or builders want to adopt serverless cloud technologies as quickly as possible and only use traditional cloud technologies such as virtual machines, for example, for legacy applications. I made a free serverless logo for you guys. It is available for reuse with modifications under the Creative Commons or CC0 license. This means you can adapt and use it for commercial purposes without attribution. I put a link in the description down below. Let's start with Amazon Web Services serverless offerings. Here you see a list of all the serverless products AWS offers. As you can see, it is a pretty long list. In the interest of keeping this video short, I want to highlight just a few of these technologies. Let's take a look at AWS Fargate. It allows you to run containers without having to manage servers or clusters. Amazon ECS and EKS support two launch types, Fargate and ECS. With the Fargate launch type, all you have to do is package your application in containers, specify the CPU and memory requirements, define networking and IAM roles, and launch. Amazon does everything else. Let's look at Amazon SageMaker. Amazon SageMaker is a fully managed service that enables you to build, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale. It is pre-configured to run TensorFlow and Apache MXNet, two of the most popular open source frameworks. And you can also use your own frameworks. It comes with the 10 most common machine learning algorithms, which have been pre-installed and optimized to deliver up to 10 times the performance of their open source counterparts. SageMaker's hyperparameter optimization feature uses machine learning to optimize your machine learning. Pretty cool. This allows multiple models be trained in parallel in a single pass with petabytes of data from S3. Amazon SageMaker comes with hosted Jupyter notebooks that make it easy to explore and visualize your training data in Amazon S3. And many pre-built notebooks are provided as well for free. I also want to quickly mention Amazon Athena. Athena is an interactive query service that makes it easy to analyze data directly in Amazon S3 using standard SQL. Let's take a look at the Google serverless offerings. Here you see a list of all the Google serverless offerings. This list is by no means complete. At Google, I want to highlight BigQuery. BigQuery is Google's serverless, highly scalable, low-cost enterprise data warehouse. You perform SQL queries on petabytes of data and have the ability to join with public and commercial datasets with your own data. That is cool. There is no infrastructure to handle. You focus on analytics while BigQuery handles everything else, including patches and upgrades. Let's look at Google App Engine. Google's App Engine allows you to build web and mobile applications on an open cloud platform. It is a fully managed platform that completely abstracts away infrastructure so you can focus only on code. App Engine allows you to bring your own language runtimes, frameworks, and third-party libraries. That is cool. Let's look at Azure Serverless offerings. Here you see a list of all the Azure Serverless offerings. This list is by no means complete. At Azure, I want to highlight Cosmos DB. Cosmos DB is a globally distributed, massively scalable, multi-node database service. It supports multiple data models, including key value, column family, table, document, and graph. It also supports popular APIs, for example, SQL, MongoDB, Cassandra, Graph, Table, and Gremlin. Next, let's look at Azure Bot Service. The Azure Bot Service allows natural language text-based interactions with users on websites and applications. It integrates with Cortana, email, Facebook Messenger, GroupMe, Kik, Microsoft Teams, Skype, Slack, Telegram, text messaging, and Twilio. Bots can use simple text strings or more scripted interactions that use text, images, and action buttons. It is basically this guy, but smarter and in the cloud. Thanks for watching. You can ask me anything on Twitter, via email, or in the comments down below. Please like and subscribe. It is a good way to provide feedback and show your support. Thanks again. Bye!